In this video, I'll be helping you with the ALEKS problem type called table for an exponential function. We're given the function f of x equals 1/5 to the x power, and we're asked to find the value of f of x at 5 different x values. And while we will find all of those, I like to start with our 0 value, looking at f of 0, substituting in a 0 for x. I should recall that any non-zero number being raised to the 0 power will give me a 1. So my f of 0 will be 1. And then before going on to the negative exponents, I'm going to do our positive exponents. So f of 1 would be 1/5 raised to the 1 power. Simplifying here, raised to the first power would just be 1/5. So we've found f of 1. And then I can start moving along these negative values. First, I'll find f of -1, which would be 1/5 to the -1 power. And the reason that I save these for last is because for each one of these, to get rid of a negative power, I would want to take the reciprocal of what's inside the parentheses, and then I could make that power positive. So 1/5 to the -1 power is the same as 5/1 to the 1 power, which simplifies to just the 5/1 or 5. And then my next value of -2 will be similar because 1/5 to the -2 power is the same as 5/1 to the +2 power, which would be just 5 squared or 25. And then lastly, f to the -3 power would give me 1/5 to the -3rd. I would want to make that power positive, again by taking the reciprocal of what's being raised to the power. So 5/1 to the 3rd is just 5 cubed, or 125. So we found all of the values for the table. And again, I think we should start with 0, do the positive ones in order, and then do the negative ones in order. I think this will help eliminate making mistakes.